Hello everyone, welcome to State Govind Raghunath Sabre College of Pharmacy. Amid the historic charm of Saswad, just 30 kilometers from Pune, stands State Govind Raghunath Sabre College of Pharmacy, a center of excellence where academic rigor blends with innovation and a serene learning environment. The college functions under the aegis of Pune District Education Association, Pune, a pioneering educational organization established in 1941 by the great educationalist late Shri Baburao Golab Sahib with the motto of Bahujana Hitay, Bahujana Sukhay. PDA's remarkable contribution in the field of education have earned it the prestigious Rajya Gaurav Puraskar by Maharashtra government. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Shri Ajit Dada Pawar Sahib, PDA continues to reach the pinnacles of success by offering quality education, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and promoting the holistic development of its students. SGRS College of Pharmacy was established in Saswad in 1991 at the behest of late Shri Rajiv Seth Sabre to bring opportunities of professional education to the rural masses. Our vision is to impart quality education through contemporary pedagogy and paramount research for creating professionally competent pharmacists to ensure healthcare of society. We work with the mission of nurturing students into morally sound pharmacists and responsible human beings by providing learning center education and inculcating fundamental human values. Approved by Pharmacy Council of India, affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, MSBT Mumbai, and accredited with A grade by National Board of Assessment and Accreditation, the college today stands as one of the premier institutes in India, synonymous with quality and innovation. Over the years, we have been honored with numerous prestigious recognitions including Best College Awards from SPPU, Best Principal, Best Teacher and Best Non-Teaching Staff Awards. Our administrative office manages day-to-day operations of the college and provides essential support to both students and teachers. It is the backbone that keeps everything organized and efficient. The college has established Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC having continuous systematic and sustainable mechanisms for planning, monitoring and improving the academic, administrative and research quality of the institution to achieve excellence and meet accreditation standards. At SGRS, education is more than academics. It's about building professionals with purpose. The college offers D.Pharm, B.Pharm, M.Pharm and PhD programs with specializations in pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry and pharmacognosy. Each program is thoughtfully designed to build a strong scientific foundation, integrating theoretical knowledge with extensive hands-on practical training to prepare students for dynamic roles in the pharmaceutical industry and research. SGRS College, with its 4 specialized departments, houses cutting-edge laboratories, well equipped with advanced instruments, a pilot plant industrial pharmacy laboratory, and a central instrumentation facility with sophisticated analytical equipment. It also features a well-established computer-aided drug design laboratory to support drug design and development. Complemented by modern infrastructure and digital learning facilities, the college provides an intellectually stimulating environment that fosters academic excellence, innovation, and research-driven creativity. The computer center, equipped with high-speed internet and essential softwares, further supports academic projects and pharmaceutical research. The college has developed Model Pharmacy Lab, especially for D.Pharm students. The campus also houses a well-maintained animal house facility ensuring ethical and regulated animal studies to support advanced pharmacological and toxicological and preclinical research. The fully automated library offers a wide collection of books, journals, and online research databases, giving students and faculty easy access to the latest knowledge and research developments. Complementing this academic hub, the medicinal plant garden, enriched with rare and therapeutically significant herbs, serves as a dynamic living laboratory, fostering experiential learning, research, innovation, and a deeper connection between scientific theory and nature. The college also features ICT-enabled smart classrooms, offering advanced facilities and interactive learning environment for all its students. A modern gymnasium, sports facilities, and spacious open playgrounds ensure holistic well-being and fitness of both students and staff. The well-designed seminar hall and open auditorium serves as a vibrant hub for seminars, cultural festivals, and guest lectures, enriching the academic journey with diverse learning and cultural experiences. A strong training and placement cell ensures that every student is industry ready and equipped with skills to thrive in a globally competitive environment. The college has established an innovation and incubation center to nurture innovative ideas and harnessing the potential of students, fostering creativity, research, and entrepreneurship. The campus promotes holistic development, offering state-of-the-art sports facilities, a modern gymnasium, vibrant cultural events, impactful social initiatives, and active NSS programs, creating a balanced and enriching college experience for every student. Additionally, well-designed common rooms for boys and girls are provided to ensure comfort and convenience during their campus hours. Separate, secure hostels for boys and girls provide a safe and comfortable living environment, fostering a sense of community and focus on academics. To promote environmental sustainability, the campus also makes use of solar energy, reducing electricity costs and encouraging the use of renewable resources. The college follows green practices to contribute further in it. The college actively engages students in co-curricular and extracurricular activities and guided closely by experienced faculty mentors to shape them into well-rounded, multifaceted pharmacists. This approach fosters critical thinking, nurtures innovation, and builds strong subject expertise, equipping students for advanced research and the dynamic challenges of professional world. Driven by the commitment to excellence and innovation, Seth Govind Raghunath Sable College of Pharmacy continues to shape competent, ethical, and socially responsible pharmacists ready to make an impact not only across the nation but around the globe. So come join us and be ready for a well-rounded and enriching educational experience. Thank you.